Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install Notepad++. Notepad++ is a lightweight, powerful text editor perfect for coding, scripting and everyday use. Now let's dive in. Firstly, open your favorite browser and search Notepad++. The first result you will see notepad++.org. It is a official website. Then click on the first link. You need to ensure that you need to check current version. Then click on the first link. Click on the first link to install current version. Then click on the installer for the 64-bit or 32-bit, depend on your system. Now you will be guided by the installation window. Select your preferable language and click OK. Then next. You need to select your destination where you want to install. I had said default. Then next. If you want to create a shortcut, click on this. Otherwise directly install. Then finish. Here you can see this is a Notepad++. And that's it. You are all set to use Notepad++ for coding or text editing. In the next video I will show you how to run code directly in Notepad++. So stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to install it right for more easy guide. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.